Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect garlic butter mushroom using just a few ingredients and have it ready in less than 15 minutes. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing. To see how I make this garlic butter mushroom, stay tuned. I'm going to start by cleaning my mushrooms by lightly brushing with a soft bristle basting brush to get all the dirt out. I don't usually wash my mushroom before cooking as it becomes waterlogged and then becomes soggy. Now that I've prepped my mushrooms, it's time to start cooking. I'm using these simple ingredients: 1 tablespoon of parsley, half a stick of butter, salt and pepper to taste, and I will also be using 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to start by melting the butter in a saucepan over medium to high heat. Add the mushrooms, stirring occasionally until most of the liquid starts to evaporate. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Once most of the liquid has been evaporated and the mushroom is caramelized, add the garlic and stir constantly for 1 minute. Once that is done, add the parsley and remove from heat. Your mushroom is now ready to be transferred to a serving dish. And there you have it guys, quick and easy garlic butter mushroom. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.